Preppers Post is all about prepper sharing with other preppers. The most effective way for you to share with other preppers is to install and use the Preppers Post Pin It button. You can find that at the user menu and Preppers Post Pin. To install this, you simply grab it and move it to your bookmark bar. We have instructions here, and we also have a video giving you instructions on how to do it, and also how to use the Preppers Post. As you're surfing the internet and you run across content, you simply click on the Preppers Post button, and in 2 or 3 steps, that content is added for all current and future Preppers Post preppers to be able to share and enjoy. The Preppers Post Pin It button is by far the most effective way for you to share with other preppers at Preppers Post.